Sometimes you may have archived a ghost post on Threads. Afterwards, if you want to delete that archived ghost post from the archived section, you can do that. In this video, we'll be showing you how to delete an archived ghost post on Threads. For this, open the Threads app. After that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on it. When you do, up top you can see two lines. Click on those, and here you can see the archive option. Click on archive. When you click on that, here you can see every archived ghost post, and here normal posts will be there too. And in the case of archived posts, over on the side here you can see that sign. Anyway, if you want to delete that archived ghost post, next to it you can see three dots. Click on those three dots. And when you click on them, here you can see the delete option. Click on delete. When you click on that, you'll see a pop-up message like this. Here click on delete. When you click on that archived ghost post will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete an archived ghost post on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.